Hey there, fellow adventurers. Get ready for an unforgettable family getaway to Sarasota, Florida. Sarasota is home to some of the most stunning beaches in the world. The best part? They're perfect for families. Dive into soft sands, gentle waves, and endless fun. Picture turquoise waters, white sand, and space for kids to play. Sounds like paradise, right? Explore Siesta Key Beach, Lido Beach, and Turtle Beach. Build sandcastles and splash in crystal clear water. Let's start our adventure. First stop, Siesta Key Beach. This beach is famous for its incredible sand. It's like powdered sugar. The sand is so soft and white, it feels amazing under your feet. Kids love building sandcastles here. The sand is perfect for it. Siesta Key Beach has everything you need for a fun family day. There are restrooms, picnic areas, and even a playground. Kids will love the playground. It has slides, swings, and more. Looking for some adventure? Siesta Key Beach offers a variety of water sports. You can try paddleboarding, kayaking, or even parasailing. Imagine soaring above the ocean. It's an experience you won't forget. My family loves Siesta Key Beach. We have so many wonderful memories here. One of my favorite things to do is walk along the shore and collect seashells with my kids. We always find the prettiest shells. Next up, we're heading to Lido Beach. This beach is known for its elegance. It has upscale shops and restaurants nearby. But don't worry, it's still very family friendly. Lido Beach has a lovely park right on the sand. The park has picnic tables, benches, and a playground. It's the perfect spot to enjoy lunch with a view. After lunch, take a dip in the ocean. The water is crystal clear and refreshing. One of the best things about Lido Beach is its proximity to St. Armand's Circle. This charming shopping district is just a short walk from the beach. It has a variety of boutiques, art galleries, and restaurants. You can find souvenirs, enjoy a delicious meal, or simply stroll around and soak up the atmosphere. My family loves visiting Lido Beach during our Sarasota trips. We enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and the variety of activities available. One time, we even saw dolphins swimming offshore. Section 4, Turtle Beach, a haven for shell seekers and relaxation enthusiasts. Our final destination is Turtle Beach. This beach is quieter than Siesta Key and Lido Beach, perfect for families to relax and unwind. Known for its abundance of seashells, kids and adults love searching for treasures. You might even spot a sea turtle nesting. Witnessing these gentle creatures is special. We love packing a picnic and exploring the shoreline. Section 5, Conclusion, creating lasting memories on Sarasota's shores. Sarasota's beaches are truly magical. From the sugary sands of Siesta Key Beach to the elegance of Lido Beach and the tranquility of Turtle Beach, there's a perfect beach for every family. So, pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable family adventure in Sarasota. Whether you're building sandcastles, splashing in the waves, or simply relaxing on the shore, Sarasota's beaches offer something for everyone. And with my insider tips, you're sure to have an amazing time. I can't wait to hear about your family's adventures on Sarasota's stunning shores. Remember to cherish every moment and create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travel.